So right now, Bitcoin is crashing hard. Are we going to break below the 92,000? In yesterday's video, I did talk about this level that we have to hold, that 92 to 93,000 US dollar level, or we have the possibility of going a lot lower. So we have touched that level, which I spoke about on yesterday's episode. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe. I'll try and bring to you each and every day my take on the crypto space, especially in Bitcoin and in the world of AI and gaming crypto. So yes, guys, right now it's an absolute bloodbath still. People are scared, panicking, selling absolutely everything. Should we sell everything? Should you get rid of your crypto? Is it the end of the bull market? I'm here to tell you, don't panic. It's just another day in crypto. It's just another Wednesday in crypto. And right now I see opportunities to buy more altcoins and also to dive into Bitcoin while it's below 100,000 US dollars. So why did this happen? What are the reasons? Well, there's many reasons, but one of those reasons I would say is the fact that we had bears liquidated when we pumped past 100,000. Then the bulls came in excited and just put high leverage on, and then got absolutely wrecked on the downside. So the bears, the bulls, they both got wrecked on each side. That's why, in my opinion, dollar cost averaging is the best thing to do. Just buy Bitcoin, buy altcoins on spot. If you're not an experienced trader, there's a reason why over 90% of traders get absolutely wrecked. I trade 10-15% of my portfolio from time to time, swing trades. That's what works for me. But most of the time I just stop. If not all the time, I only buy and hold on spot in my different crypto wallets. So just before we go into this, I'm going to show you, so just ignore this. I think it's a glitch in the system. Bitcoin did not flash crash all the way down to 10,000 US dollars. This is just, I had a bit of a fright when I saw this, but yeah, it's just a technical glitch on Coinflare, I hope anyway. But that's absolutely crazy. When I saw that, I thought there's no way Bitcoin went all the way down to 10,000 US dollars. So there's just a technical glitch, so just ignore that. I'm going to talk about this box in just a second. So yeah, we're back below 100,000. Everybody's panicking. The price fall came amid strong economic data in the US. I spoke about that in yesterday's episode, and I mean the plunge coincided with strong economic data from the US on Tuesday. So yesterday, including a surge in job openings and manufacturing. So last month we had Jerome Powell talk about the interest rate cuts. Instead of having 4, now we're only going to have a couple this year. So many factors, the reason why Bitcoin is taking a plunge at this moment in time, and also the rest of the space is tumbling. So very, very quickly then, let's just go into Bitcoin. I'm going to be very quick in today's episode. I want to get straight into it. So let's jump into the charts, shall we? So I did say, again, just ignore this candle wick to the downside. It's just, yeah, a glitch. So what we need to see, hopefully we get a bounce off the 92, what it looks like we have. If we go back to trading view, we've got that beautiful bounce off that $92,500 level, and now we're using it as support. So could we be using this as support and we swing up a lot higher and go back above 100,000? If this thing breaks, then I'm going to show you right now the possible situation to the downside is, it's not pretty, but let me just find the brush, because as you can see, we have a shoulder, we have the head here, and we have the other shoulder. I mentioned this on my episode this week, I think twice I mentioned it, and the target of this head and shoulders pattern, if we were to break to the downside below 92,000, would be 76,000 US dollars we could dump all the way down to. Okay, what's interesting is, as you can see, this purple rectangle is the CME gap. It hasn't been closed yet. So there's a high possibility, 8-9 times out of 10, 90% of the time, CME gaps tend to get filled. This gap was formed back here in November 11th, 12th. Hasn't been filled up yet. So there is a possibility that we come, if we break this level of support, we do have some clear support here around the 87 to 91k. But I believe if we break through this, confirm this right shoulder, then there is that possibility, if we're going to be objective, that we come all the way back down to 77,000 US dollars, which would be a decrease of around 17%. So if you're trading this, you can go short. If you want, you can go long as well. I will not be trading. I will not be shorting the market during the bull market. If we do go down here, then expect the Bitcoin dominance to go sky high and the altcoins to absolutely dump even more. And that's when I will be jumping in. I'll be buying a lot more altcoins. I'll be buying in heavily if we do go down to these levels, because I believe once this thing gets, it could be a matter of days, massive flash crash down to this level, and then a V-shaped recovery really, really quickly and back up to our 100,000, and then we'll start our journey to 120, 150,000 US dollars. So let me know if you agree with me, my take on that. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research and let me know in the comments section below. So thanks guys and girls for sticking right to the end, and see you next time.